Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, today's a little bit of a follow-up. This is mainly just for MG owners. As most of my regular subscribers are aware, I had a major fire back in June which caught the shed on fire, the fence on fire, and then the car on fire, which was a MG HS plug-in hybrid, and which was great. And I did do a video around, or obviously before the fire, which I'll put some pictures up in the corner there as well of the remains of the HS. But if you remember, I did do a little video on a Android Auto adapter, wireless adapter, and that worked beautifully in the HS. So I didn't get as much for the insurance as I'd hoped, so I've actually bought a ZS EV, electric vehicle. So of course I needed the same thing again, so I've made a note exactly of what it is, and I'll also put an advert up in the corner there somewhere. So it's a EKIY A2A wireless Android adapter, and it actually was cheaper than the original one I bought for the HS. It was actually, including tax and delivery, £23.62. And so I've had this car for about 4 months now, and so I thought it was worth just doing an update on the ZS. So we jump inside the car, and I've disconnected it from the phone now, so it basically it's plug in and go. So jump inside the car and we'll have a look how easy it is to set up. Well, okay, inside the car now. So I do apologise, it's quite bright actually, so it's a rare autumn sunny day in between all the rain we've had. But anyway, what I'm going to do, I'll switch the car on, and obviously you're going to get the standard screen come up. So you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which obviously it's not connected. Please connect it. Yep, okay. So what I'm going to do, we'll plug it in, and I'll show you the rest of the setup. Right, so here we are under the gear selector area. Now we did have, as you know, we've got 2 USB ports here. I was using that one to start with, the left hand one, and connecting it directly with a cable, which didn't work. But anyway, obviously it's this one. So it's quite easy. This is out of sight, out of mind. So we just plug that in to that right hand socket, and we can just keep that can be kept out the way and forgotten about. Now we're coming around to back to the dashboard again. Right, okay, we're back in the top here with the dashboard again. Ignition is back on, so if we just go into settings and go for Bluetooth, and if you look down here you'll see Smartbox ABEC, so we'll click on that one. There we go. Pairing device, yes, we're pair. Okay, and that's connected. So we come back to the main screen again. Still nothing happening, bear with me. It does say connected. There we go, so it's come up now, and there we go. Automatically that goes to the sat-nav screen. Now it does have, if I can, so I don't actually use it, but I mean, there's all the settings and that. If we can go back to Google, there's all our different things that we can get. There's also we've also got all the other things like YouTube music and things like that, but I don't actually use any of that. There's no need. The only thing I use is the sat nav, and it's very important for me because I'm about 10 miles from work. So and it can vary from, like you can see there, 24 minutes to sometimes an hour. So it's good to just check it out before I go, and it automatically would redirect you in a different direction, you know, if it was going to be take too long, the normal route. So what I do, I'll switch it off now. Right, so that's off. We'll switch it back on again. There we go. Comes straight back with it. So as soon as you get in the car, there's no delay. Comes straight up with the sat nav, which is exactly what I need. And over the 4 months, probably lost signal 2 times as compared to just plugging it in directly. So for that price of £23 I really do recommend it. And I say with the ZS EV, I've actually been very happy with that as well. It hasn't let me down. So yeah, so I hope it does help. So the other one on the HS seemed to do quite well video wise. It did seem to help some people, but so hopefully this will help some people with the ZS. Well, once again, thank you very much for watching. I hope you do find it useful. It's certainly worth it. I've had no trouble with the one in the HS, and which is long gone, and this one we've had for 4 months. So once or twice it's cut out, but but other than that, as soon as you get in the car, comes on with the maps, which suits me perfectly. You do have all the other apps on there if you want other things like WAS and YouTube Music, and which I don't. All I need is the sat nav. So if you do like the video, please subscribe, and please watch some of our other videos on classic restorations and things. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Please take care. Bye bye.